Okay, so moving to the features of the Razer Viper Mini optical mouse. First feature is the 61-gram ultra lightweight design. So this is a very compact mouse and also a very light mouse. And also this is an ambidextrous mouse, can fit in left or right hand. Another good feature of this mouse is it has the PAW3359 sensor, which provides you with performance and accuracy required for gaming. And the DPI maximum is 8500 DPI. Tracking speed is 300 IPS, and you have an acceleration of 35 Gs. Furthermore, this special mouse is also equipped with an RGB underglow, so we'll be seeing it later. And it has a special optical mouse switch, infrared light beam to register in every click. The switches in this light gaming mouse actuate with an industry-leading response time of 0.2 milliseconds. And also a good neat feature of this mouse is has a braided cable. Okay. The Razer Viper Mini cable has a greater flexibility and is designed to produce minimal drag. Okay, and this is the appearance of the mouse. It has a left and right switches and a special switch on the center. And this is the Razer logo in the middle. Has two switches on the left side. You can see that this is mostly a plastic build, so that's very light, and there's no rubber grips. Okay, on the right side there's ordinary, and on the other side you have this special PTFE. So now we're gonna plug in the mouse for the first time in our computer. So we have the hub here. So I'm gonna turn off my light here, my camera, so that you can see the RGB. Slowly switches from one cycle to another. And we have the Razer software installed in our computer right now. See, that's a blue color. So that's a very lovely cycle. It changes from one color to another smoothly. And the underside of the mouse is actually also glowing, as you can see here. Just a lovely glow. So now this is the Razer Synapse software that we'd installed earlier. Our device is detected, and we have these modules here: Chroma Studio, Visualizer. Let me try to click here. Okay, and these are the preset settings for our mouse here. It's about the DPI settings. So the increments of the settings are here: 400, 800, 1600, and 6400 for the fifth one. So you can also change the settings individually as you like, or you can just leave the default settings as that. Okay, and other settings here. Lighting, of course, this is very important. Okay. If we change the settings, we will be able also to change the lights, say like a green and a red. Let's see. Oh, nice. Right? So you'll be able to change the settings as much as you like. So what's my final take for the Razer Viper Mini mouse? So I would recommend this mouse. It's also very affordable, lightweight, also has a braided cable, and you know, the tracking of the mouse is very accurate in the screen here, and able to change the DPI settings. default settings and 5 settings in simple configuration, and also you may change it as much as you like. And the RGB is just, I think it's just a bonus or even a very good plus here. Okay, fits my hand very comfortably. I do a claw grip when I use the mouse. For users with small and medium hands, I would recommend this mouse. This is a very good mouse. Okay, thank you so much for taking time to watch my review, and hope to see you soon on my next vlog. Have a great day.